Study about contributions of the Rajputs. We will learn about contribution of Rajputs. What kind of or what type of contribution the Rajputs gave to the cultural field of India. Rajputs. What type of or what kind of contribution which the Rajputs give to the land of India, Rajputs. What was their contribution or what kind of contribution they gave to the land of India, Rajputs? What kind of contribution they gave to the land of India? What contribution Rajputs gave? That we have to think. They encouraged what they encouraged. They encouraged writers, philosophers, and thinkers who encouraged these kings. Rajput kings encouraged writers, poets, etc. They encouraged writers and poets also. Who? Rajput kings. Rajput kings encouraged all types of people in the land of India. Rajput people. Writers, poets, and drama writers. They encouraged all types of people in the land of India. They encouraged all types of people. Even kings. Even kings were writers. What happened? Even the kings were also writers. Even the kings. Why they were writers, that we have to think. Even the kings were also known as writers. Why or how it happened, that we have to think. Writers were there inside the Rajput kingdom. Then what happened? Even the kings of Rajput dynasties, they were also great writers. They encouraged all types of literature. They encouraged all types of all kinds of literature and artwork. Bhoja. Bhoja and Muncha, they were great Rajput kings, Bhoja and Muncha. Then, what happened? Bhoja and Muncha were great scholars. Bhoja and Muncha were great scholars, they were pandits. Bhoja and Muncha, they were great scholars or pandits. They themselves were writers. Bhoja and Muncha themselves were writers and poets. They encouraged all types of writers. Halayuda was a famous poet. Halayuda was a famous poet of this particular time. Halayuda was encouraged by the kings of this time. Halayuda. He was encouraged by the kings of this time. Means Rajput kings encouraged Halayuda. There is another specialty. Other than Halayuda, so many poets or so many writers got encouragement from whom? They got encouragement from Rajput kings. That was speciality of Rajput kings. Once more I will tell up to here. It is continuing. But what is for your sake, I am telling again, Rajputs. What were the contributions of Rajputs? That we have to think. That we have to think or that we have to understand. What were the contributions of Rajput kings? What type of or what kind of contribution which Rajput kings made in the land of India? First of all, Rajput kings encouraged art, architecture and literature. Rajput kings. They encouraged art, architecture and literature. They encouraged. That was a speciality of Rajput kings. And they protected so many writers who Rajput kings protected so many writers also. Another speciality was also there. Rajput kings were great writers also. First of all, what you have to understand? Rajput kings encouraged which field? Rajput kings encouraged art, architecture and literature. Rajput kings. They encouraged art, architecture and literature. But sometimes what we have to know, Rajput kings themselves were great writers also. Rajput kings. Rajput kings were great writers also. This was another speciality of Rajput kings. Rajput kings were great writers also. Some Rajput kings wrote drama, poems, etc. Bhoja and Muncha, they were great scholars also. Bhoja and Muncha were great scholars or they were pandits. Bhoja and Muncha were great scholars or they were great pandits also. That was speciality of Bhoja and Muncha. They were great scholars or they were great pandits also, Bhoja and Muncha. Then Kanayika was a famous poet who was encouraged by the Rajput kings. Kanayika was a famous poet who was encouraged by the Rajput kings. This was another specialty. I think up to here you are able to follow. What I told Rajput kings encouraged art, architecture and literature. Rajput kings. They encouraged art, architecture and literature. Not only that they encouraged art, architecture and literature. Rajput kings were great writers also. Rajput kings were great writers also. Then King Bhoja and Muncha were great scholars. Scholar means pandits. Pandit means those who are having more knowledge. They were great scholars also. Then what happened? Kanayuga was a famous poet of this time, Kanayuga. Then Kanayuga was encouraged by Rajput kings. See, King Bhoja. Last day I told you about King Bhoja. Who was King Bhoja? I told you. King Bhoja was one of the greatest kings of Rajaputta dynasty. King Bhoja. He was one of the greatest kings of which one? Rajaputta dynasty. King Bhoja. Then what King Bhoja did? King Bhoja encouraged Jain scholars. Who are Jain scholars? That you have to think. Who are the Jain scholars? That you have to think. King Bhoja was a Jain scholar. King Bhoja encouraged Jain scholars. Jainism was a religion. Jainism was a religion that developed in the land of India. Jainism and Buddhism are new religions that developed in India. In 8th class, you clearly studied about Jainism and Buddhism. Jainism and Buddhism are new religions that developed in the land of India. Jainism and Buddhism. They are new religions that developed in the land of India. So what happened? So many Jain scholars were there in India during this time. Bhoja was one of the greatest kings of which one? Bhoja was one of the greatest kings of Rajaputta dynasty. King Bhoja encouraged which one? Jain scholars. King Bhoja encouraged Jain scholars. That is one specialty. So many writers lived during this time. So many writers lived during this particular time. Writers. See. Jayadeva was a famous writer of this time. Jayadeva, he was a famous writer. Then Jayadeva wrote Gita Govinda. Jayadeva wrote his famous book known as Gita Govinda. Gita Govinda describes about the life of Sri Krishna. Gita Govinda. Gita Govinda is considered as one of the greatest works of an Indian writer. Then Bharavi was there. Bharavi was there. Bharavi was another writer. He wrote Kiratarjuniya. When we are reading Kiratarjuniya, what happened? When we are reading Kiratarjuniya, what happened? We will be able to know about the Rajaputta period. So once more I will tell you. Bhoja. Who was Bhoja? I had told you. Bhoja was a famous Jain scholar. Bhoja was a famous Rajaputta king. Bhoja was a famous Rajaputta king. Bhoja encouraged Jain scholars. So many Jain scholars were encouraged by Bhoja. Then Jayadeva was a famous writer of this time. Jayadeva. He wrote the famous book known as Gita Govinda. The famous book Gita Govinda was written by Jayadeva. He only wrote this book. Bharavi was another writer. He wrote Kiratarjuniya. See, so many other writers also were there. So many other writers also were there. Mahendra Pala. Mahendra Pala was another writer. Mahendra Pala is known as, or Mahendra Pala is considered as one of the greatest writers of this time. He wrote Kavya Mimamsa. Kavya He wrote the book known as Kavya Mimamsa. One of the famous books, Kavya Mimamsa, was written by Mahendra Pala. Mahendra Pala only wrote Kavya Mimamsa. Chand Bardali. Chand Bardali was also a famous writer. Chand Bardali wrote Prithviraja Rasu. This was another notable work of this time. Prithviraja Rasu. Once more I will tell you children, Mahendra Pala was a famous writer of this time. Mahendra Pala was a notable writer, a famous writer of this time, particular time. Mahendra Pala, he was a famous writer of this time. He wrote a famous book known as Kavya Mimamsa. He wrote Kavya Mimamsa. Chand Bardali was another writer. Chand Bardali was another writer of this time. Chand Bardali. He wrote Prithviraj Rasu, the famous book. Prithviraj Rasu was written by Chand Bardali. Then now we have to learn how they encouraged architecture. They made so many palaces. See, in the field of architecture, what happened? In the field of architecture, these Rajput people, Rajput kings, made their own contributions in the field of architecture. They made their own contributions. What type of contributions which they made, that we have to think. What is mean by architecture, that I have told you several times. Architecture means the art of making buildings. The style or the art of making buildings are known as architecture. The style of or art of making buildings are known as architecture. Vastu Shilpa Nirmana Kale. Rajput kings made so many palaces of their own. Aryamane they made. Temples, Devasthana they made. Temples or Devasthana also they made. Palaces they made, temples they made. For time they made. Then what is that? Inside the fort, they kept weapons of their own. inside the fort. Inside the fort, they kept weapons of their own. They kept their own weapons inside the fort. Then what happened? And food materials. Food materials also they kept inside the fort. Food materials also they kept inside the fort. So, they made famous palaces, temples, forts, etc. Mainly in Rajasthan area. In Rajasthan area only, they made so many forts, palaces, temples, etc. They made. And historians have found out. Historians found out so many palaces, temples, and forts from different parts of Rajasthan area. And these forts, temples, and palaces are well known throughout the land of India also. And during the time of Rajput kings, what happened? During the time of Rajput kings, painting also developed. During the days of war, during the time of Rajput kings, painting also developed. Painting. How the painting developed, that we have to think. Rajput style of painting. Rajput style of painting developed during this particular time. Rajput style of painting developed during this particular time. Rajput style of painting. What is the meaning of that one? In different parts of Rajasthan itself, we can see so many palaces, temples, and forts. Inside and outside those temples, palaces and fort, what can we see? We can see Rajput style of painting. During the time of Rajput kings, so many painters, they got encouragement from Rajput kings. Because of Rajput kings, they got different types of encouragement. Once more I will tell you children, Rajput kings and how they encouraged architecture, how the Rajput kings encouraged architecture, that we are reading. How they encouraged architecture. What is the meaning of architecture? That we have to think. What is architecture? Architecture means the art of or the style of making buildings are known as architecture. The style of or the art of making buildings are known as architecture. They made so many palaces of their own. Great things. Rajput kings made so many palaces of their own. They made so many temples of their own. They made. They saw many fort they made. Inside the fort, they kept weapons and food materials. Historians found out. What they found out? Historians found out the remains of so many palaces, temples and forts from which place? From different parts of Rajasthan. These buildings show that Rajput kings encouraged architecture in the land of India. During the time of Rajput kings, painting also developed. During the time or during the days of Rajput kings, painting also developed far better than in any other time. Paintings were developed far better than in any other time. Paintings also developed better than in any other time. The painting style which the Rajput kings encouraged was known as Rajput style of painting. They encouraged Rajput style of painting. Inside and outside Rajput forts, we can see Rajput style of painting. Inside and outside temples, we can see Rajput style of painting. Inside and outside the palaces of Rajput kings, we can see Rajput style of painting. That means Rajput kings encouraged all types of art forms. Dear children, I think you are able to follow this one. Now you turn on your mic. We will have discussion on the